So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to fix black screen for Crimson Desert for PC. And how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is go over to Steam and then go over to your game and then right click on it and then click on properties. Here what you need to do, in under launch options, remove this and then you have to type -w space 1920 space -h space 1080. Then just restart your Steam and then check if the problem fixes. If not, then just go back here and then just type -Windows to force it to launch in Windows version. After that, hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can make a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.